Everything with twins is double. Double the poop, double the diapers, double the bottles you have to wash, double the laundry, and double the accidents when you're potty training. So I have some tips for you when it comes to potty training twins and multiples. So stay tuned. Before you even think about potty training twins or multiples, you need to purchase my potty training course. It is the Potty Party. Do you know why it's called the Potty Party? Because potty training should be fun. And I know you probably think I'm crazy. Like, why would potty training twins and multiples be fun? Well, I'm gonna make it fun. So go to the description box down below and grab Potty Party, the course, and welcome to the party. Starting it off strong with tip number 1, you need to wait until your twins are ready. If anything, you need to wait until they're more than ready. Even if one is more ready than the other, as long as they are both ready, then you're in a good place. Do not do it the other way around where one is ready and one is not, because the one who is not ready may end up feeling left out or behind their sibling. Tip number 2 is to have extra supplies. I know, you have to buy double of everything with twins, but I'm sorry to say potty training is going to be the same way. Let each child pick out the potty they want to use. Let them pick out the underwear that they want to wear. Let them pick out their stickers. Let them pick out their prizes. Let them pick everything that has to do with their potty training journey, because they are two different people. So keep it that way. I know I'm talking specifically in like a twin world, but all of this also applies to triplets, quadruplets, whatever you might have, any form of multiples. Most commonly I do see twins, so if I talk more about twins, that is why. Tip number 3 is to stay in 1 to 2 rooms of your house. I know, it probably sounds a little bit impossible, but you just have to block off other rooms. So I hope you held on to your baby gates. And I know, like, yeah, they're toddlers, why do you need a baby gate? But just having that physical barrier for your child if you don't have a door to close off certain areas of the house. And you can even tell your children, we're sticking to the kitchen and dining room. These are the rooms we're using while we're potty training. The next tip number 4, is to have plenty of table activities. A lot of sensory experiences, painting, drawing, coloring, Play-Doh, any of those types of things. You're going to want a lot of those types of things. Or just little small toys that you can play with on top of a table so that you're staying in kind of a kitchen or dining room area where you may not have a carpet or, really nice furniture like a couch or something, or a brand new carpet that you don't want to get pee or poop on. Tip number 5 I briefly mentioned is that you need to make sure that you have a separate sticker chart and a separate prize bin for each child. Different children are going to have different things that motivate them. So if you have your children pick out the stickers that they want to earn and pick out the prizes that they want to earn, yes, you may feel like you're buying double, but this is why I say go to the dollar store. You don't need to spend a lot of money, but as long as your child is picking out the prizes for their potty training journey and they are motivated and inspired to earn them, potty training will be a breeze. Tip number 6, it is going to drive you absolutely crazy if you try to prompt your children to go to the bathroom every 10 to 15 minutes. Back off, hold back, just stop. The most that you should be prompting your children to go to the bathroom is every 2 hours. You heard me right, every 2 hours. If they go in between that, great. If they don't, no big deal. They can hold it for 2 hours. Tip number 7, you're gonna have accidents. You have to expect them to happen. While we're talking about accidents, it's important to know that yes, you're going to experience double the amount of accidents. So make sure you're stocked up on cleaning supplies, paper towels, any kind of spray that you might want to spray on some pee, maybe some poop stuff, some carpet cleaner if you have to be in a carpeted area. Hate to say it, but it's true. You got twins or multiples, you're gonna have double, triple, quadruple the amount of pee and poop accidents that you're going to have to clean up. Hopefully it will be a very fast process for your child though, and it won't last forever, so sorry. Tip number 8 is to ask for help. Whether you ask a neighbor, a friend, family member, anybody who is available to help you for a couple days. Maybe they can just come over for a few hours during the first couple days of potty training so you don't feel so overwhelmed and alone. It can be really hard when you have multiples and you constantly feel like you're in the bathroom. So even just having someone there for moral support is definitely going to help you get through potty training. If you don't have any of those resources, reach out to me. That is what I am here for. I am here to help you get through the potty training journey. If you want to get the potty training course, it is Potty Party the course. If you want group support and you want 10 days of professional and peer support, join Potty Party Live. Check out the link in my description box so you can go to my website and find out when the next live group training is happening. Sign up right away. You don't have to wait. I will save your spot if it's a little bit in advance. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Click this button over here to subscribe to my channel. Click this button over here to watch more potty training videos, and keep blooming. Mwah!